Understanding Least Developed Countries, LDCs. Least developed countries, LDCs, are defined as nations that encounter extensive structural challenges that prevent sustainable development. Recognized by the United Nations, UN, there are currently 46 countries classified as LDCs, a designation that reflects not only economic challenges but also vulnerabilities relating to social, political, and environmental factors. Key characteristics of least developed countries. LDCs possess several distinctive features that contribute to their classification. 1. Low income. LDCs are characterized by low gross national income, GNI, per capita. As of 2021, the income threshold for LDC classification is set at $1,018, while a higher graduation threshold is established at $1,222. This means that nations with a GNI per capita above this threshold possess greater economic stability and opportunities for development. 2. Human assets. The measurement of human assets considers health and education indicators. Nations classified as LDCs typically show poorer results in healthcare access, educational attainment, and overall human capital development. The indices for health include statistics such as life expectancy, infant mortality rates, and access to clean water, while education measurements often focus on literacy rates and school enrollment figures. 3. Economic vulnerability. Economic vulnerability is assessed based on how susceptible a country is to economic and environmental shocks, such as natural disasters or fluctuations in international markets. LDCs often rely heavily on agriculture or a single economic sector, which makes them especially vulnerable to changes in global commodity prices or adverse climate events. International support for LDCs. The UN's Committee for Development Policy, CDP, established measures to facilitate the development of LDCs and enhance their ability to gather international support. These measures include special provisions concerning trade, financial aid, and technology transfer that are offered exclusively to LDCs, acknowledging their unique challenges. Graduating from LDC status. To promote sustainable development, LDCs are encouraged to strive for graduation from the LDC category. In March 2018, the CDP proposed graduating Bhutan, Kiribati, São Tomé and Príncipe, and the Solomon Islands from LDC status by 2024, the largest number of countries to be recommended for graduation in a single review in the classification's 47-year history. Previously, only 5 nations, Botswana, Cabo Verde, Equatorial Guinea, Maldives, and Samoa, have successfully transitioned from being categorized as an LDC. Current list of LDCs. The list of least developed countries is pivotal not only for policy making but also for humanitarian and developmental assistance. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Benin, Bhutan, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cambodia, Central African Republic, Chad, Comoros, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Djibouti, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Gambia, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Haiti, Honduras, Lesotho, Liberia, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Niger, Rwanda, Samoa, São Tomé and Príncipe, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan, Timor-Leste, Togo, Tuvalu, Uganda, Vanuatu, Yemen, Zambia. Note, the number of LDCs may fluctuate over time as countries progress in their development goals or face new challenges that may affect their classification. Conclusion. Least developed countries represent a group of nations requiring targeted international support due to their significant socio-economic challenges. By understanding the key metrics that determine this classification and the support mechanisms available, stakeholders can better strategize interventions aimed at fostering sustainable development. Continued efforts by international communities to uplift LDCs will be essential in overcoming the inherent barriers they face, ultimately leading to improved living conditions and greater resilience against global shocks.